spill?
I just spilled a potato.
You spilled potato? Can you turn your head so I can see what happened? And I can see it? The other way. Turn your head the other way.
After.
Look that way.
After.
Good grief, it's all over you. What were you making?
I was making this.
What is that?
It's a potato.
You were making potato?
Yeah.
And then what happened when you were making it?
It got there. And then
But I don't understand. Why did you put it on your face?
I don't know.
You don't know? Are you going to do it again?
Are those the reading books?
Yeah, those are your reading books.
Are those the coloring books?
Yeah, over there.
Daddy, please.
I know.
Caroline, what do you want?
Up there.
Up there? Caroline, what are they making? Caroline, what are they making?
Hey. We're making potato.
Don't touch it. No.
What happened?
What happened to her nose?
To her nose? What happened to her nose?
In her eye.
In her eye? What happened?
You want mommy? I should just wash with grass.
Caroline, where's your nose? Caroline, where's your mouth? Where's your eyes? Caroline, where's your eyes?
What's that berry?
What do you do?